Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your assets with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what asset protection means and its importance in financial planning. Research Fidelity Investments and its services related to asset protection. Open the Fidelity Investments website or download the app on your device. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required personal information accurately. Review the platform's asset protection policies and tools offered. Consider consulting with a Fidelity financial advisor for personalized advice. Assess your current assets and their respective values. Evaluate your risk tolerance to determine the best protection strategies. Explore the different types of accounts available for asset protection, such as IRAs and trusts. Research the benefits of each account type in relation to your specific financial situation. Decide on investment vehicles that align with your protection goals, such as mutual funds or ETFs. Utilize Fidelity's asset allocation tools to create a diversified portfolio. Regularly monitor your investments through the Fidelity platform. Stay informed about market conditions that may affect your assets. Set up alerts for significant market changes or news that could impact your investments. Review your asset protection strategy annually or whenever your financial situation changes. Consider estate planning options that Fidelity may offer to protect your assets for future generations. Engage with Fidelity's educational resources to enhance your understanding of asset protection. Always keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Make adjustments to your protection strategies as needed based on changing financial landscapes. Stay proactive and informed to ensure your assets are well protected over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.